Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Plantronics Voyager 5200 headset. First, ensure your new headset is fully charged. Connect it to a power source for at least 90 minutes. The small LED light will glow solid blue once charging is complete. A full charge provides an impressive 7 hours of talk time, ensuring you are ready for your day. Next, let's pair your headset with your phone or computer. Power on the headset, then press and hold the call button until you hear pairing and the LED flashes red and blue. On your device, open the Bluetooth settings and select PLT V5200 series. Once connected, the headset will announce pairing successful and you are ready to go. Achieving a comfortable and secure fit is key for optimal performance. The Voyager 5200 comes with various ear tips. Choose the one that feels best. You can rotate the microphone boom to wear the headset on your left or right ear. Always ensure the microphone is pointed towards your mouth, about 1 finger's width away, for the clearest sound quality. Finally, let's quickly review the essential controls. The large button on the boom allows you to answer or end calls with a single press. On the top, you'll find the volume up and down buttons for easy audio adjustment. There's also a dedicated mute button to silence your microphone during calls, ensuring privacy when needed. Enjoy your Plantronics Voyager 5200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.